They had such a rough day that Leprechaun is dreaming like crazy, just chewing in his sleep. And ED was just jumping all over the place again in his sleep. I was hoping to capture it, but I guess it didn't. It will be by your brother sitting on your head. That's ED sleeping. He is sound asleep, but still jumping. Cadbury chewing on the crate.